What do you think? We've roped Josh into building a spit. Well, parts of it are here. It was hidden down in the corner down there. But we're going to make brackets to fit it to the 86 so we can rotate it. It's full of fucking sand from the sandblasting, and that's all going to present itself when the car is upside down. Yeah, we want to start scotching the underneath of it because we're going to try and paint the bottom of it soon and seal it. And just look at the underneath of it. It's on the list, so it's been on the list for ages, but we crossed, I don't know why it's crossed out, because we didn't do it. Are you one of the best yet?
I am the best ever yet.
Shut up. That's going to be forever on video, and
sure is, everyone knows.
So this is an old split that's been used for a few cars. Yeah, hopefully the car doesn't fall off. So we built a new work area, put a little shelf up here, some shelves here. Yeah, just more organized. And bought some of these to go up on the shelf. This awesome fucking March up there. Some the LRC drift cars. Is this where you're going to drill the thing into the... Yeah, so we painted this last night. The starter looking pretty damn good. Fucked up my starter more by sliding this stupid fucking thing out, so now I have to take it apart and try and get it back in onto these brushes. These are a bit ugly. Bolts are a bit scaldy. Rebuilt starter.
Like, need fit to come back with the other.
What's happening here?
Oh,
yeah.
No gaps.
No gaps.
Key to welding. This is fucking roll cage 101 here. Yeah, no gaps. Nice.
I see a gap there.
There is a gap.
No.
What's that gap?
No.
See that gap?
No gaps.
No gaps. Oil cooler mount, is it?
Yeah, the oil cooler is going to be just off it here.
That's nice.
Mummy. Mommy?
Moomy.
Mimi Mummy. I don't remember what his name was.
Moomy hammer.
I can't remember what it was.
Momo.
Minchelle.
She's a Minchelle, lad.
You could bolt that in and hit the bar.
Right to face.
So this great voice that we were just complimenting is broke. Don't buy a voice off eBay. That wasn't even much pressure there at all.
I'm gonna put it back.
We were trying to tighten this, and then it just...
This.
50 quid.
What? Ah, look, it looks good there now, look. Just a show.
I can't believe that.
Ooh, I'm broken. Fucking, was they on them pills, by
So don't buy an eBay voice for 50 quid posted. I've lost 50 euro, I broke my voice.
50 euro.
That was 50 euro.
And the starter doesn't work after all.
Why is that now? The starter doesn't work.
Touching Mickey's.
Just going to attach to a flywheel.
Oh my god.
Jesus Christ.
Obviously, the starter goes on the flywheel.
Right then.
Yeah, now do it.
Start it up.
It's not turning though.
Why isn't this the flywheel turning?
Hit it with the hammer.
Is the engine seized?
Hang on.
You hit the flywheel.
Yeah.
Don't know what to say, lad.
So yeah, little front brace setup is done. This used to be a bus stop. Move it on the trolley and then put it on the spit. Rotating is just going to be a little scary. So we're going to do the last few bits to the old engine.
The engine.
Dicky up the engine mounts, throw them on, put on the pipe that Barry made a couple of weeks ago out of other pipes. And then we can start this engine up. The joke. Paint this engine mount. Move this flywheel. So what have you done here? You're basically
I took a view of the side of the view and
yeah. Just
I copied its proportional dimensions
brilliant.
into a 3x2 angle iron that is of 6mm.
So this is an exact copy of the dimensions.
With a bit extra on the end.
Yeah. Front is done. We're going to measure up. Then the shell is still level, so then we'll try and find the midpoint so it'll rotate easily. This is the voice. Josh is going to be making custom bumper brackets now. The Civic bonnet has served for so much. Ta-da! Fancy bumper brackets.
Yeah, for like Armageddon.
Armageddon bumper brackets in case we need to put on the apocalypse bumpers. Yeah, you do. Oh, now it's fucking unreal now. What's holding you back
Yeah.
from progress on your car?
Yeah, this solenoid, a Brazilian solenoid.
The one that was brand new, that wasn't brand new.
Not brand new, yeah, it was catching somewhere. So we took this off an RX-8 one.
Right.
And it works sweet.
Cool. Well, they look really similar, so.
Yeah, it's just they're only 1.4 kilowatt. They're like 1.8. Well, the internals are different.
Now we fitted Barry's pipe. Barry's modified pipe. Guess not. There's an audience. That's it. Multi. That's it, just literally, that's it, just literally. That's it, just literally.
Just like that. Literally, just like that.
It's nice, isn't it?
Stand your Mickey in front of it, it's penis height. Fine, you do it there. Get a demonstration. Yeah, you just.
Stay away.
What? Like I said, no gaps.
No
We
gaps.
have no gaps.
Yeah. That's great, Josh. Now, so it is great, Josh. Now,
Now, Josh, great, Josh.
this will surely hold an old shell. So Josh has done his power. Just give it the test, the knock, for no reason.
Yeah, it's fine. I had a shape in the back of it, actually.
Do the, yeah. Sound, he's going to put a little bolt through here, stop from falling off in case you have any earthquakes.
No, but I didn't think it was damage going back.
he saw a machine.
50-50 weight distribution.
Jesus.
How do you feel?
Dodgy as fuck. Right, get some tires. What do you think? Oh.
That's as far as we go.
What do you think? Yeah. She's done.
Leave it go there.